This is an interesting change to Google Chrome, and it's one that I may actually want to use. And by the way, this change is across the board with all Google, as Google Workspace, the premium paid version, as well as free Gmail. And I'm in my free Gmail right now. Look, we're used to the tabs across the top. Always across the top. And by the way, I just go to my business over here and show it to you. I have all these tabs all the way across. It's a huge pile of tabs. However, when we go back over here and play with it over here, I don't need the tabs across the top anymore. Google's just come out recently with an update that I can take all those tabs, you click on View, Show Tabs vertically, and put them over here. And then basically what it does is it raises the screen up a little bit. Let me put it back. Watch this. So get rid of that. It raises the screen up that much space. And it doesn't seem like a huge change, but I kind of like them over here. And by the way, not only can I have them over here, but see a little button right there? I can expand the tabs so I can read them. Now that uses up a whole lot of space, and I don't want to do that. And by the way, in Gmail, I can click on this right here and hide it. So I got a list there. I can hide this. And I got a small list there. So I get more of the screen back. Is it huge? No. Could it be a better way to manage your Google Chrome tabs? Maybe. So here's the point. It's another way to look at using Chrome. It's another idea. It may be, and I'm going to use it for a while to see, it may be a better way for me to navigate around Google Chrome, whether I'm using my business profile or, let me put it back here, and look, I reduced that as well, whether I'm using my business profile or I'm using my free Gmail profile. I think it's worth giving it a shot to see if I like this better than having the horizontal tabs. What do you think? Horizontal tabs or vertical tabs? Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I'm all about helping you get more value out of these tools. And I hope this is useful and or of interest to you.